Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you GoPro enthusiasts out there. If you're looking to level up your audio game for your GoPro Hero 7, you're in the right place because we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Movo VXR10 shotgun microphone, the best microphone for your GoPro Hero 7. Stick around as we dive deep into its features, performance, and why it's an absolute game changer for your GoPro footage. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's unbox this bad boy and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find the Movo VXR10 shotgun microphone, a furry, dead cat windscreen, a soft carrying case, a 3.5mm TRS output cable for DSLR cameras, camcorders, and recorders, and a 3.5mm TRRS output cable for smartphones, tablets, and Mac. Movo has got you covered for all your recording needs. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that make the Movo VXR10 the best microphone for GoPro Hero 7. The Movo VXR10 isn't just for your GoPro Hero 7. It's a versatile shotgun microphone compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, Android smartphones, cameras, camcorders, audio recorders, tablets, and laptops. It's perfect for any content creator who wants professional audio quality. This microphone is built to last. With its durable aluminum construction, it's designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor shooting. Plus, it comes with an integrated shock mount that minimizes handling noise, ensuring your audio stays clean and clear. Movo stands by its products, and the VXR10 is no exception. You get a 1-year warranty, and their friendly US-based support team is ready to assist you if you encounter any issues. That's peace of mind for creators. Whether you're into vlogging, TikTok, interviews, family vacation videos, live music, outdoor events, or tutorials, the Movo VXR10 has got your back. Its compact design makes it a must-have tool for any content creator. Now, let's talk about how the Movo VXR10 performs in the real world. We took the VXR10 out for a spin, and the results were outstanding. The directional pickup pattern minimizes ambient noise and focuses on your subject, delivering clear and crisp audio. Whether you're capturing the sounds of nature or conducting interviews, this microphone delivers professional-grade audio quality that will elevate your content. But wait, there's more. Not only is the Movo VXR10 incredibly affordable at just $39.95, but you can also take advantage of some fantastic bundles to enhance your content creation setup even further. Check out these great deals on Amazon. Whether you need a complete vlogging kit or just a microphone for your camera, Movo has you covered with these value-packed bundles. So, there you have it, folks. The Movo VXR10 shotgun microphone is undoubtedly the best microphone for your GoPro Hero 7 and a fantastic option for a wide range of recording scenarios. With its universal compatibility, professional build quality, and affordability, it's a no-brainer for content creators. Don't settle for subpar audio. Upgrade to the Movo VXR10 and take your content to the next level. Thanks for joining us on this review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, happy recording!